Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to allow or block message notification from the unknown numbers. For this, go to settings, scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option apps, and from here you need to select the option messages. Tap on this one. Then here you can see the option notifications. Tap on this one. Then tap on the option customize. You can see the option customize notification. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option under allow notification under unknown senders. If you don't want to receive any messages from unknown numbers, then disable this one, turn off this one. If you have no problem when you receive the messages from the unknown numbers, simply turn on this one. So simply in this way you can allow or block message notification from the unknown senders in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.